Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 2, Navigating Earth's Grid. So in this chapter we will study about longitudes, latitudes, right? So let's explore first. Isha's aunt had just come from the USA. Her mother told her, "Do not disturb your aunt, let her sleep. She must be suffering from jet lag." But why does jet lags happen? Isha asked. So what she gives the answers? Because different places have different time zone. Her mother explained कि हर एक जगह का अलग अलग time zone होता है. So let's study about the latitudes and longitudes first. So we have already learned about the globe in the previous chapter and how it serves as a close representation of the earth. A globe has certain limitation. What are its limitation? It's difficult to carry because it is big enough. आप इसको हर जगह नहीं ले जा सकते, राइट? एंड इट डज नॉट प्रोवाइड डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन. वो आपको पूरी जो डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो नहीं देगा, राइट? To overcome these challenges, maps are used along with the system of coordinates that allows us to locate any place accurately. This coordinate system is based on what? Imaginary line that divide the Earth's surface, helping us point location and understood more about time and climate. So in this chapter, we will learn about latitudes and longitudes. Two sets of imaginary lines that form a grid on the earth. जो क्या form करते हैं? Grid on the earth. The grid allows to find the exact location. So let's study about latitudes and longitudes. First is latitudes. Means the lines which are parallel to each other, like equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, right? Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. These are the lines of latitudes. So let's study about the set of circle between the North and South Pole are called lines of latitudes. As these lines run parallel to each other, what we call them? Parallels of latitude. The distance of a place using north or south of the equator is measured in angle. And this angle is the latitude of that place. To know the exact location of a place, it is important to divide the latitude into degree and minutes. The value of each latitude is followed by a symbol N or S. The equator represents 0 degree latitude, since the distance from the equator to either of the pole is what? 1/4 of the circle, which measures 360 degrees. So let's study about the features of the latitudes. 181 parallels of latitude, 90 in the northern hemisphere, 90 in the southern hemisphere. Each parallel of latitude is a circle and they do not cross each other. Latitudes are of unequal length and the equator is the longest latitude. If we talk about the longest latitude, it's equator, and the distance between the latitude is always equal except at the poles where it is what? Little more than what it is near the equator, as the earth flattened at the pole. आपने देखा होगा कि जो अर्थ है वो फ्लैट है पोल्स. Now important latitudes. Let's study about some important latitudes. As you know that beside the equator 0 degree, North Pole and the South Pole, there are 4 other important parallels of latitude. What are these? Tropic of Cancer, which lies in the northern hemisphere, that is 23 degree and a half. Then we have Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 south is Tropic of Capricorn. We had 66.5 Antarctic Circle, south में और north में आपका Arctic Circle. So Tropic of Capricorn कहाँ lies करता है? 23.5 south, Arctic Circle 66.5 north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 of the south of it. Now let's study about the different heat zones. With the help of latitudes, we are able to demarcate certain temperature zone. What we call them? We have 3 main heat zone. If we talk about the zone that lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, it is torrid zone, right? The zone which lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle is temperate zone. नॉर्थ वाली नॉर्थ टेम्परेट जोन होगी, साउथ वाली साउथ टेम्परेट जोन होगी. और जो आपका ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन से एंटार्क्टिक सर्कल के बीच में लाई करती है वो साउथ टेम्परेट जोन है. एंड देन वी हैव फ्रिजिड जोन जो आपकी पोल्स पे लाई करती है, राइट? दीज आर द 3 डिफरेंट जोन. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट देम. Which lies between Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. It receives vertical sun rays throughout the year and what it experiences very high temperature. Then we have temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The sun rays fall in slanting direction in these zones and hence temperature in these zones remain moderate. कैसा होता है? Moderate होता है. Next is frigid zone. I have told you that which lies where? Near the poles. So it lies between Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle in the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. So let's study about longitudes. जो लंबी खड़ी हुई लाइन होती है वो आपकी lines of longitudes होती है. To know the exact position of a place, we need to know more than its latitude. Another set of line is required as a reference for locating the place in the east and west direction. A set of line is drawn joining the North Pole and the South Pole, and what we call these lines? Meridians of longitude. Now, in October 1884, International Meridian Conference was held in Washington, D.C. Here are some countries which have mutually agreed to fix Greenwich, a place a few kilometers east of London in the UK. So, the meridian which passes through Greenwich is taken as the prime meridian. So, the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian is measured in angles, which is called longitude of this place. The value of prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. We count 180 eastward as well as 180 westward. Right? The prime meridian divides the earth into equal halves vertically, the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The value of longitude is followed by degree E for east or degree W for west. And these meridians of longitudes face the sun turn by turn as the earth rotates. So, let's study about the different features of longitudes. They are semicircles which are equal in length. 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. 360 degree of meridian of longitude and 180 east of the prime meridian and 180 to the west of the prime meridian. So, if we talk about the prime meridian and 180 meridians make a great circle. Let's divide the earth into two equal halves. The distance between any two meridian is not same, as all of them meet at north and south pole. If you want to locate places on the globe, how you will locate? Let me tell you, we have Earth's grid. We can locate any place on the earth with the help of this grid. If the exact location of the place is known, you should know the position of its north side direction. आपको north south direction की position भी पता होनी चाहिए और east west की पता होनी चाहिए. Next is time zone. 180 meridian is called international date line. Right? Line is not straight, but it across the earth is zigzagging pattern. ठीक है? एक थोड़े zigzag pattern में like this. Same नहीं है, थोड़े zigzag pattern में है. When ideal is crossed, we must reset their watch and crossing it from east to west. It's required. आपको एक add करना पड़ेगा एक day, right? अगर आप west to east जा रहे हो तो आप subtract करो. Now longitudes and time. We already know that Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. When the sun reaches the highest point in Greenwich, all places along the prime meridian, what it experiences? Noon and midday. As the Earth rotates from west to east, places east of the prime meridian sees sunrise earlier than those in west, and this means that Tokyo experiences what? Sunrise much earlier than London. We have Greenwich meridian. Now we have local and the standard time over here. The time determined by respect of meridian of a place is called local time of that place. All the places along the same meridian share what? Same local time, which can be calculated knowing the meridian and GMT, that is Greenwich meridian. Local time varies from one meridian to another. If the place followed own local time, it would lead to confusion. Especially in countries with many meridians like India, this could disrupt smooth functioning of transportation system. Right, to avoid such confusion, countries adopt themselves to time of central meridian as their standard meridian. Right, let's study about Indian Standard Time, that is IST, which is located in the northeastern hemisphere, and standard meridian is 82.5 east, which passes through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. The difference क्या है time zone का? वो है आपका 82.5 east in 5 hours and 30 minutes. As the standard meridian of India is towards the east of prime meridian, standard time of the India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Russia has 11 time zone. Earth is divided into 24 time zones. Each time zones cover 50 degree of longitude, and the local time of meridian passing through the center of the each time zone, what it gives you? Standard time of that particular time zone. As far as possible, the standard time of each zone has been chosen to be an exact number of hours ahead or behind the GM. Here the thing corner has been given to you. You have to answer these questions. Right now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.